today's class, we are going to see about what is cash surplus and how to identify the cash surplus and deficit. We are going to see in detail. And we will be also seeing the different advantages and disadvantages also. Okay, so what is cash surplus first of all? So cash surplus is nothing but the cash that exceeds the cash which is required for day-to-day operation is the cash surplus. And cash deficit is the cash which is not sufficient to meet the day-to-day operations and known as cash deficits. So two of the most common uses of extra cash which are paid is paying down your debts. That is, with the help of the excess cash surplus, you can easily pay off your debts. So how to calculate this cash surplus? So to calculate the cash surplus, make out a cash flow statement, and the statement tracks all the cash you spent and received for an accounting period. If your cash inflow is greater than the cash outflow, you have a cash surplus. And these are the benefits of cash surplus. That is, reinvest. You can reinvest the surplus in any of the avenues so that you can utilize it later. You can pay off the debts if you have any, and you can take with the help of those excess cash surplus, you can take any other new work, or you can involve it in the current one, which can be utilized in a better manner, and it can be utilized for paying dividend also. So these are some of the benefits of the cash surplus. Now we will see about the cash deficit. It is a situation where cash outflows exceeds the cash inflows. So the excess of cash disbursements over cash receipts in any given physical period, we call it as a cash deficits. So these are the reason for which the cash deficits occur. So poor accounting. If the accounting is not maintained properly, cash deficit can occur. And due to relaxed credit terms with customers, if customers are given the relaxed credit terms and if they're not able to get back the money, in that case, that will lead to the cash deficit. And due to bad debts, cash deficit may occur. And due to uncontrolled growth or expansion, also cash deficit may occur. And business is not making a profit. If it is not making a profit, and if the business is going on investing, and if they are going on doing the operations, if they're going on producing, in that case, that will lead to cash deficits. So these are the different investing short-term surpluses. These are the different avenues where you can invest your short-term surpluses. So seem to